Hi guys, this is Shiva. Today we are going to discuss about how to take screenshots in Selenium 4. So basically in Selenium 3 we cannot take screenshot of individual element, but in Selenium 4 we can take the screenshots of individual element. So this is a new feature given in Selenium 4. Okay, so this is our Eclipse environment. So for that here I am going to create a new project. So here you can select Java project, then I can give a demo as a project name. I will finish it. So you can no need to create any module. So you can click don't create. So here you can give package. So I'll give a simply name of demo. I'll create one class called taking screenshot. Okay, so I'm going to work with the main method. Here we are going to start now. So before proceeding with our demo, we need to configure Selenium. So right click, then properties, click on class path, then add external jars. So we need Selenium, then we need one more. For taking screenshot we need comments.io. So this will help us to create taking screenshot. I will give you the link where you can download this comments.io. Okay, so now we have configured. Okay, so the first step is, as we know, we need to set the property system dot set property, where we have our Chrome driver. So which browser we are going to use? I am going to use Chrome driver or Chrome browser. You can say WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, Chrome dot driver. Then you can give the path of your Chrome driver. Okay, so here you can, here I have stored in C drive. Just I will copy, then I will put it over here, then Chrome driver dot exe. Okay, then now we can launch our browser. WebDriver equal to driver equal to new Chrome driver of new Chrome driver of. So this will launch your browser without any issues. Now you can import your WebDriver as well as your Chrome driver. So now it will launch the browser. If you want to maximize, we can do that. So we can write driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So now the browser got maximized. So what we need to do now, we need to go to the particular page. So driver dot get. So I'm going to take screenshot of the Google logo. So for that you can write http yes, then www.google.co.in. you can give this, copy this URL, you can put here. Okay, so now it will go there. Now what we need to do, we need to locate the element, right? So just you can give right click, then inspect. There you find the XPath. Okay, so here ID is there. I'm copying this ID. You can create the element now. So we are going to take the Google logo, right? So the element, I will give Google logo, then driver dot find element. Here you can say by dot XPath. You can write the XPath of that ID at ID equal to, you can say logo as our XPath. Okay, done. What we need to do now, Now we can start writing the code for the taking this screenshot in Selenium 4. Okay, so in Selenium 4 what we need to do is we can take directly file. Okay, file. So first we need to take the screenshot. So for that you can take directly this element, then you can write get screenshot as output type dot file. Okay, output type dot file. So now what it will do, it will take the screenshot and it will hold in our buffer. So now what we need to do, we need to mention where you are going to store this logo, right? So for that we need to create one destination file. Okay, file, just I will give you destination file equal to then new file of, so where I am going to store is here. I will copy the location, here I want to store. Okay, you can give the location, then the file name Selenium, then I want to store logo.png, I want to store as a png file. Okay, so now we need to copy. So for that, file utils, then copy file. Okay, so copy file, then automatically it has taken the source file. Source file is file, then our destination file. So now it will create the exception, so I wanted to throw it in the method itself. So now our code is ready. So once it has taken the screenshot, I want to close the browser. Okay, so now you can run this, run as Java application. So now what it will do, it will open the browser and it will maximize. Yes, here it has taken the screenshot. Yes, again you can able to see the logo. The logo is available now. Okay, so this is what I want to do in our Selenium 4. So now you can see the steps. So these are the basic steps. We need to create the property for the setting the Chrome driver. So it will launch the browser, it will maximize it, then it will go to the particular location, then it will find the element, then it will take the screenshot and it will store in the buffer. Now you need to say where you need to store, then you need to copy the buffer to your destination file, right? This is what you need to do for the taking screenshot in Selenium 4. In next video we will discuss the another feature in Selenium 4. Thanks for watching. So you can share this video to your friends and you can like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment it. Thanks for watching this video.